at the science fair. Children, do you like science? Science can be interesting. Sometimes we think that science is difficult. If you learn science with interest, you can get answers to many of your doubts. We have many questions in mind, like why is the color of seawater blue? Or where do stars come from? Every such question has an answer in science. Science teaches you all about the world around you. Try to relate science with real life. Try to ask more and more why and how questions in day-to-day life. Try to find out the answers. It is fun learning science when you get to know some interesting facts. Science has many different areas, so you can learn variety of facts. Earth facts, animal facts, human body facts, plant facts, planet facts, food facts, etc. Earth facts. Why is some part blue and some green here? Animal facts. What do these animals eat? Human body facts. What are the functions of different body parts? Plant facts. How do plants get flowers? Planet facts. Why can't we see the moon during the day? Food facts. Why does mother tell us to eat vegetables and chapati or bhakri? You will get all these answers when you learn science. Yes, I want to learn science. Activity time. Children, please make two groups of equal number of children. Team 1 is animals and Team 2 is plants. Team animals will write some names of animals and how they are useful to human beings. Team plants will write some names of plants or trees and how they are useful to human beings. Try to write at least 5 animals and 5 plants. Then share the information with everyone. Introduction at the science fair. In this lesson, Bhumika and Tanmay are going to show us 2 science experiments. Bhumika will show us a process called marbling. Tanmay will show us a process called magic watering can. Children, if possible, you can also try doing these experiments at school. Marbling. Things we need for this experiment: a bucket, some water, kerosene or turpentine, oil pens like red, blue, yellow, etc., and a brush, white sheets of paper. Marbling. First, we need to fill 3/4 of the bucket with water. The oil paints are thick. We dilute the paints with a spoonful of turpentine or kerosene. Stir it nicely to get a good mixture. Now we shall use the brush. Take a few drops from each of the oil paints and sprinkle them gently onto the water. The paint floats on water. We shall use the brush again to twirl the colors and make different shapes and designs on the surface of water. Now, let's keep a drawing paper gently and carefully on the surface of the water and press it a bit. Let us now lift the sheet out of the bucket. What do we see now on this sheet? Such beautiful colors and shapes and designs. We shall keep the sheet of paper away till it dries. Did you find this marbling process interesting? Children, what have we learned from this process? Oil doesn't dissolve in water, but floats on its surface. Magic watering can. Things we need for this experiment: an empty tin with a lid, a nail, a hammer. Magic watering can. Let us make a hole in the bottom of the tin using the nail and the hammer. Then take the lid and make many holes in it. The magic watering can is now ready for use. Now, let's see how we can use it. Put a finger on the bottom hole and fill the can with water. Then put the lid on the tin and turn the tin upside down without removing your finger. Now, let's remove the finger and see how the shower starts. When we close the hole with our finger, the shower stops. Students, what have we learned from this process? The water starts falling from the can because of the air pressure. When it stops, that is also due to air pressure, the pressure of the air outside the can. New words: marbling, coloring, or the process of giving something the surface appearance of marble. Dilute, make a liquid thinner by adding water. Twirl, spin or move quickly. Lid, cover on a box or can or jar. Activity time. Children, let's make two teams. Team Bhumika and Team Tanmay. Team Bhumika will discuss among the team members where they can use marbling. For example, decorating, making greeting cards, etc. Team Tanmay will discuss among the team members where they can use the magic watering can. Now you can tell the uses in front of the class. Choose the correct answer. 1. Shilpa gave me half a cup of tea. A. 1/4, B. 1/2, C. 3/4, D. 3/2. The correct answer is B. 1/2. 2. Bhumika took an empty bucket. There are dash nouns in this sentence. A. 2, B. 1, C. 3, D. No. The correct answer is A. 2. 3. Tanmay loves to water his plants. Here the pronoun is dash. Tanmay water his plants. The correct answer is his. 4. Make a dash in the bottom of the tin. Hole, hall, hell, hole. The correct answer is hole. Choose the right word from the bracket given below. At, careful, on, happy. 1. Mother told us to be dash while crossing the road. 2. Every day, Sucheta gets up dash sharp 6 a.m. 3. Mitali likes to make everyone dash. 4. Suraj does not play cricket dash weekends. There are some mistakes in the following sentences. Please correct them. 1. Would you like to having a cup of coffee? 2. Sujit washed her shoes on Sunday. 3. I love to watering my plants. 4. Rupali kept her book in the table. 5. My grandfather have a good collection of books. 6. Paritosh forgot to brought his notebook to school.